RV fishing trips are a great way to make lifelong memories with friends and family. Here are some tips to make the most of your trip. First, get to know your destination. RVs are a fantastic way to bring the comforts of home with you, but they can't go everywhere. Research RV accessibility in advance to get as close as possible to the best fishing spots. Don't forget a fishing license. You can check out TakeMeFishing.org for information about how to get licenses online. Make a list of all the fishing gear you'll need. Whether you plan on bass fishing in a lake, trout fishing in a mountain stream, or fly fishing in a brook, you don't want to forget the right gear when you're far from home. Prep the RV before hitting the road. You'll want propane, water, paper towels, and plates on board. And don't forget to pack the fridge with your preferred ingredients. Communicate with friends and family before hitting the road. It's a good idea to let loved ones know your route and where you are headed. Always remember to take breaks. It's easy to get caught up in the rush of the road and campsite setup. Taking your time to avoid little mistakes will leave lots of room for casting. Show the outdoors some love and remember to leave no trace. Pack out what you pack in, keep your RV site tidy, and leave every area better than you found it. With a well-packed RV and some patience, you'll have a great trip. Like, subscribe, and tell us about your dream fishing trip in the comments.